Want to make cooking feel effortless and fun? These Amazon kitchen appliances are designed to make meal prep faster, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. From quick breakfasts to full dinners, they handle the hard work for you. All product links are in the description below. Mini pancakes, made fast and perfectly every time. This compact pancake maker heats up quickly and cooks evenly, so each bite comes out golden and fluffy. Simple knobs let you control the temperature and timing with ease. The nonstick surface releases pancakes effortlessly and cleans up in seconds. You can make a full batch in just a few minutes, perfect for breakfast or parties. Breakfast just got a high-tech upgrade. This touchscreen toaster lets you pick your bread type and shade with a simple tap. No more guessing when your toast will be ready. The digital timer counts down so you know exactly when to butter up. With defrost, bagel, and cancel functions, you're in total control. Plus, the crumb tray slides out easily, keeping cleanup quick and effortless. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference. This banana slicer cuts an entire banana into perfect pieces with one easy press. You don't need a knife, and the rounded stainless steel blades are safe for kids and older adults to use. It also handles soft fruits like strawberries or grapes for quick salads and snacks. Lightweight, dishwasher safe, and super easy to clean, it keeps prep fun and effortless. Chopping herbs just got way faster. These clever herb scissors have 5 sharp stainless steel blades that slice fresh herbs in seconds, no knife or cutting board needed. The non-slip rubber handles keep your grip steady, and the included cover doubles as a cleaning comb to clear out leftover bits safely. Toss them in the dishwasher when you're done. Quick, easy, and perfect for everyday cooking. Why let your wine glasses clutter the counter when you can hang them in style? These under-cabinet racks give your stemware a neat home while freeing up space. Each one holds several glasses securely, keeping them within easy reach but out of the way. Installation is simple. Just stick them on. No drilling required. Strong, rust-proof plastic means they'll last, whether in your kitchen, bar, or dining area. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers full of measuring spoons. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you slide to the exact amount you need. No swapping or guessing. It measures both grams and milliliters, making it perfect for liquids, powders, or spices. Just push, scoop, and pour with one hand. Made from safe, BPA-free materials, it's compact, easy to clean, and surprisingly addictive to use. Struggling with stubborn lids is now a thing of the past. This jar opener uses strong stainless steel teeth and a long handle to give you extra leverage, so even the tightest caps twist off with ease. The non-slip grip keeps it steady in your hand, doing the hard work for you. It's especially helpful for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Compact, sturdy, and easy to store. It's a small tool that makes a big difference. Dinner doesn't have to be complicated when one appliance does it all. This multifunction oven can grill, bake, steam, air fry, and even keep your food warm. 10 different cooking modes let you whip up anything from crispy fries to fluffy cakes. The digital display makes adjustments simple, while built-in recipes take the guesswork out of meals. Compact, stylish, and powerful. It's like having a full kitchen packed into one box. Cooking just got smarter and simpler. This 2-in-1 electric frying pan and steamer lets you fry, steam, saute, and simmer all in one pot. With a touch control panel and 7 easy modes, you can whip up everything from crispy stir fries to fluffy dumplings in minutes. The non-stick coating keeps cleanup effortless, and the large capacity means dinner for the whole family, hassle-free. This espresso machine is where racing heritage meets coffee perfection. Designed in the iconic Porsche style, it brings the precision and power of performance engineering right to your kitchen. Every shot is crafted with advanced brewing technology that ensures rich, consistent flavor. Limited to just 911 units, it's a true collector's piece. For those who love coffee as much as they love design, this one's a dream come true. Passing dishes around the table? Not anymore. This extra-large Lazy Susan spins effortlessly so everyone can grab what they want. No stretching or spilling required. Hosting a big group? Just snap on extension trays to fit longer tables. The trays are heat-resistant, non-slip, and super easy to clean. Setup takes under 2 minutes, and it all packs away neatly after the party's over. Movie night just isn't the same without that fresh popcorn smell. This hot oil popcorn popper whips up big, fluffy batches in just minutes. The clear lid doubles as a serving bowl, so you can go straight from popping to snacking. A built-in stirring rod keeps every kernel moving for maximum pops and zero waste. With easy cleanup and clever storage, it's your new favorite party essential. Transform plain water into sparkling perfection with this sleek countertop soda maker. Its modern matte finish instantly elevates any kitchen, while the manual carbonation lets you control just how bubbly you like it. From light fizz to full sparkle, you can make refreshing drinks in seconds. Compact, stylish, and easy to use, it's your new favorite way to stay hydrated with a little extra flair. Your toaster's about to get a serious glow up. This sleek touchscreen marvel does way more than just brown your bread. With patented tech that heats in seconds, it locks in moisture and gives you the perfect crunch every single time. Choose from 38 bread types, 7 browning levels, and even a reheat mode. Oh, and when it's not toasting, it doubles as a digital photo frame. Stylish, smart, and surprisingly fun. Bring the joy of fresh donuts right into your kitchen with this electric donut maker. It bakes 6 perfectly golden donuts at once with double-sided heating for even results every time. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the simple timer and temperature controls let you customize your batch. Whether for a cafe or a cozy weekend treat, it's a fun, easy way to make everyone smile. Fresh citrus juice doesn't get easier than this. This electric juicer works hands-free with a single press, squeezing oranges, lemons, and limes for you. The motor spins quietly while extracting more juice with less effort, perfect for calm mornings. Just place the fruit, close the lid, and let it do the work. Cleanup is quick since the parts rinse clean and the body wipes down in seconds. Say goodbye to stale chips and snack bag chaos. This mini gadget is both a heat sealer and cutter, so you can close up opened bags and slice through new ones in one smooth move. It heats up instantly, seals airtight in seconds, and runs on USB-C, so no batteries or weird cables needed. It's tiny enough to toss in a drawer or take on the go. Travel-friendly, kitchen-friendly, and waste-reducing. Ever wish your sauces stirred themselves? This automatic pan stirrer does exactly that. Just drop it in your pot, hit a button, and it handles the job while you multitask. With 3 speed settings and LED indicators, it keeps soups and gravies perfectly smooth without any effort. The legs are heat resistant and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's easy too. Hands-free cooking just got a serious upgrade. If you're trying to make veggies more exciting, this spiralizer turns them into fun, twisty noodles in seconds. Just lock it to your counter, pick a blade, and spin. Zucchini, squash, carrots, it handles them all with ease. The extra strong suction keeps it steady while you work, and the stainless steel blade stays sharp for clean cuts. Everything stores neatly in the built-in caddy, and cleanup is simple. healthy meals suddenly feel a lot more fun. Make perfect burgers every time with this UFO-style burger machine. The 3.9 baking pan fits standard buns, and larger buns keep ice cream burgers neatly in place. Stainless steel construction is durable, and the non-stick pan makes cleanup easy. The 180 degrees rotating press seals edges evenly, keeping ingredients secure on the go. Adjustable temperature and a 5-minute timer let you make savory or sweet burgers in minutes. Whip up breakfast favorites in seconds. This electric crepe pan makes crepes, pancakes, tortillas, blintzes, and more with ease. The non-stick surface heats evenly in just 30 seconds, while the automatic temperature control keeps food from burning. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for any kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe the non-stick plate with a damp cloth and you're done. Say goodbye to messy wraps and falling fillings. This tortilla sealer locks in your favorite ingredients, turning any tortilla into a perfectly sealed pocket in seconds. Just fill, fold, and crimp. No fuss, no spills. You can heat it in an oven, air fryer, or pan for that golden crunch, or enjoy it cold on the go. It's BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and built for quick, easy, and delicious meals. Your morning coffee just got smarter and greener. This reusable pod system works with most single-serve coffee machines, letting you brew your favorite grounds without the waste of disposable pods. You save money with every cup while cutting down on plastic. Just scoop, fill, and pop it in for a rich, fresh brew. Cleanup is quick, and the pods are built to last, simple, sustainable, and delicious. Staying organized just got a whole lot easier. This pocket-sized label maker connects to your phone with Bluetooth and prints clear stickers in seconds. No ink or toner needed. The app gives you endless templates, fonts, and icons so you can design labels your way. Perfect for jars, school supplies, cables, or even small business packaging. Lightweight, rechargeable, and always ready to tidy up your world. Washing dishes doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This compact dishwasher sits right on your counter and takes care of the mess with 6 different wash programs. You can fill its built-in tank or connect it directly to the tap. No tricky installation needed. Powerful 360-degree spray arms leave every dish spotless, while high-temp drying keeps things hygienic. Control it from your phone and enjoy sparkling clean plates with zero effort. Breakfast just got a major upgrade. This retro-style 3-in-1 station lets you toast, steam, and grill all at once. Pop in your bread or bagel, steam eggs to your liking, and sizzle bacon or veggies on the non-stick griddle all in one go. Adjustable toast settings make sure everything turns out just the way you like it. It's compact, fun, and turns your morning routine into pure convenience. Cooking on the go just got powerful. This portable induction cooktop delivers fast, even heat with an 8-inch coil that handles everything from simmering to searing. With 18 temperature settings, you're in full control of every dish. It's built tough for heavy use, yet compact enough to fit in small kitchens, RVS, or dorms. Safe, efficient, and easy to clean, this burner brings pro-level cooking anywhere you need it. Craving homemade dumplings, but hate the hassle? This 2-in-1 dumpling maker does all the hard work for you. It presses perfect dough wrappers and seals them into neat, uniform dumplings in seconds. Just fill, fold, and press. It's that simple. Made from food-grade plastic, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. Fun for family cooking nights and perfect for dumplings, pierogies, or hand pies. Imagine melting and spraying real butter with just one press. This electric butter sprayer turns a full stick into a smooth, even mist, perfect for popcorn, pancakes, or buttery toast. Just load, heat, and spray for quick, mess-free cooking. The precision nozzle gives perfect coverage without wasting a drop. It charges fast, stores neatly in the fridge, and makes everything taste a little more delicious. One appliance, endless possibilities. This multi-meal cooker lets you slow cook, steam, bake, saute, and more, all in one compact design. With 2 separate pots, you can prepare different dishes at the same time, and smart timing ensures both finish together. The non-stick ceramic coating makes cleanup simple, while the large capacity easily feeds the whole family. Say goodbye to broken nails and messy spills. These colorful soda can openers make popping open any can a breeze. Just slip it on, lift the tab, and you're done. No pain, no hassle. Each one also doubles as a lid cover to keep your drink protected from dust and bugs. Lightweight, reusable, and perfect for picnics, parties, or everyday use. Ever wondered what fresh oil from your own kitchen tastes like? This electric oil press lets you extract pure oils from seeds, nuts, and more. No additives, no mystery ingredients. It handles everything from sesame to sunflower and even avocados. With automatic temperature control and a foldable design, it's smart, smokeless, and easy to store. Just load it, press a button, and enjoy real flavor in every drop. Who needs a sushi chef when you've got this Sushi Bazooka at home? Just load it with rice, veggies, or seafood, close it up, and press out comes a perfectly rolled sushi log every time. It's quick, fun, and totally beginner-friendly. Even kids can join in and make their own rolls. Cleanup's easy too, so you can spend more time eating than rolling. Ice cream nights just got an upgrade. This smart ice cream and soft serve maker lets you swirl, scoop, or mix up your favorite frozen treats in minutes. With 13 preset programs, you can make everything from creamy gelato to fruity sorbet or protein-packed desserts. Add your own toppings and mix-ins for endless combos. It's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for all ages, kids included. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.